Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of September 25th, 2023, Part 2. This week's theme is Fall Foliage. Full of Fall by April Pulley Sayre. September sun is low in the sky. So long, summer. Green, goodbye. One leaf, another leaf. Colors surge. Meet the trees, their shapes emerge. Hello, yellow. Greetings, gold. Oh, it's orange. Red, be bold. Leaves frame trunks, light and dark. Ripples, reflections, berries, bark. Limbs and layers, leafy lanes, margins, midribs, sunlit veins. But soon, trees are ready, twigs let go, leaves slip and spin. Wind sweeps, leaves blow. They drift and dry, their edges curl. They float and sink, they snag and swirl. So many leaves, the forest glows. Leaves fade and brown and decompose. Fall is ending. Goodbye, leaf show. Winter is coming. Oh, hello, snow. The end. We're going to make a splatter painted leaf, and your craft to go kit is a leaf and a toothbrush. And what you need is some paint. I have some fall colors here. I've got brown, red, yellow, and orange. And all you're going to do is dip your toothbrush in the paint. I'm going to dip it in the red. And you got to take your finger and flick it. See how it spreads on there like that? Get some orange on there. Got a couple of globs, but that's okay. Open yellow. And some brown. You can put more on it than that. I kind of like mine the way it is. So that's my splatter painted leaf.